Nothing compared when I first started with crypto, and it's something that we can talk about later, where this is more mainstream. And I noticed that, the usefulness of AI to any sort of like operation in a business is just fantastic and pretty much a miracle. I happen to be now very involved with a couple of businesses that I own in the healthcare industry. One of them it's a medical equipment business, and the other one is a hospice business. One of them it's very heavy on compliance. Well, actually, every business who it's in the medical field is heavy in compliance, right?
Of course.
One of the things that I find extremely useful with AI, it's how organized you can get to be, or how easy it's for you to prompt your AI, in this case, the basic of the basics, ChatGPT or Gemini or any other platform out there, every LLM platform, where you can just tell them you're an expert in the compliance field of medical equipment business, been doing this for 20 more years. It's how you prompt engineer, right?
Yeah,
The
exactly.
your AI, your ChatGPT prompt, and just gives you the basic and the strategy of how you need to be very more organized with your business compliance wise. Another thing that has helped us a lot is in the medical equipment business, it's very hard to get a contract with a private insurance, for instance. Usually, you play the game first by being out on network. So hence the reason that you need to be in credentials with insurances, right? It's a very back and forth process where you also do the same thing. You prompt engineer your chat GPT, right, and gives you the tasks and the steps to be improve your odds to be in network with insurances as well. And just like that, you can organize your documentation as well, your pre-authorizations for medical equipment access with hospice with our nurses. You also need to be smart with HIPAA, right? But the way that you can help and organize the documentation, right, by providing them a very good structure how they need to do their documentation, by not putting too much of their time, but just inputs and highlights, and prompt the AI to act as a hospice nurse so they can give you a proper language for hospice, right?